Every year, students lose easy points on the AP Calc exam as well as tests in the classroom, not because they didn't know the math, but because of bad notation. We're going to fix that right now. So when you're jumping into Unit 3 on differentiation, you're going to learn lots of rules and applications. So let's first talk about a few habits that can make a big difference in your success in this unit, especially when it comes to notation. You can understand every rule of differentiation, but still lose points if your notation isn't clear. The AP graders are looking for precision, and your teacher is looking for you to communicate clearly with your work. First tip, write the problem and derivative clearly. When you take derivatives, don't just rush into the computation. Write out the original problem, then the derivative using proper notation. So if you're asked to take the derivative of y equals x squared, don't just write 2x. That would be improper. You want to write the correct notation, y prime equals 2x. Again, if you're asked to find the derivative of, say, natural log x, don't just write the derivative as 1 over x. Use proper notation. In this case, I would use f prime of x. Also, writing both helps you internalize how equations should look in calculus. The second habit is for you to label everything. First, with derivatives, you always want to label what your derivative represents and be consistent with the notation. If they're using function notation, write f prime. With graphs, make sure you're labeling the axes and variables with the correct labels. And finally, if the problem includes units, carry them through the problem. Make sure that you're putting feet per second, miles per hour, whatever the units are, make sure you're including that. Our third habit is attention to detail. Don't get your brain stuck in XY mode. Make sure you understand that there are a lot of different variables used in calculus, whether it's t or theta or r or even z or some other variable. So you want to avoid always writing dy dx, especially when you're differentiating different functions like s of t or r of theta or f of x. That way, when the exam asks for a derivative with respect to t, you won't accidentally write dy dx. Unit 3 is full of many different kinds of strategies and techniques for differentiation, and this is where notation really matters. Being precise helps you avoid mistakes and communicate clearly your reasoning on free response questions and exams. Mastering notation is one of the easiest ways to earn full credit on exams in AP Calculus, and it makes your work look sharp. If you want to level up your AP Calculus skills this year, hit subscribe and check out my other videos on derivatives and problem-solving strategies.